kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, as these organs play a vital role in filtering waste products from the blood, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote kidney health and cleansing. Here, we explore 7 of the best herbs renowned for their healing properties, backed by both traditional use and scientific research. 1. Dandelion Taraxacum officinale. Dandelion is often considered a weed, but its roots and leaves have been used in herbal medicine for their diuretic properties, which help increase urine production and support kidney function. Research indicates that dandelion may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in kidney tissues, promoting overall renal health. 2. Nettle Urtica dioica. Nettle is known for its high nutrient content and anti-inflammatory properties. This herb acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and excess fluids from the kidneys. Studies suggest that nettle may also help prevent kidney stones by reducing calcium oxalate crystallization, making it a valuable herb for kidney cleansing. 3. Parsley Petroselinum crispum. Parsley is more than just a garnish, it is a powerful herb with diuretic effects. Traditionally, parsley has been used to support kidney function and promote detoxification. Its high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants, help combat oxidative stress, further supporting kidney health. 4. Corn silk. Maize. The silk of corn is often overlooked, but has a long history of use in herbal medicine for its kidney health benefits. Corn silk is known for its soothing properties and has been traditionally used to alleviate urinary tract infections (UTIs) and support kidney function. Scientific studies have shown that corn silk can help reduce inflammation and improve urinary flow, making it beneficial for kidney cleansing. 5. Ginger. Zingiber officinale. Ginger is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While it is often associated with digestive health, ginger also supports kidney function. Research indicates that ginger may help protect the kidneys from damage due to oxidative stress and inflammation. Its ability to enhance circulation can also aid in the efficient functioning of the kidneys. 6. Turmeric. Curcuma longa. Turmeric, renowned for its active compound curcumin, is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have shown that turmeric may help protect kidney tissues from damage and promote overall kidney health. Additionally, its ability to reduce inflammation can be beneficial for those with chronic kidney conditions. 7. Burdock root. Archeum lapa. Burdock root has been used in traditional medicine for its detoxifying properties. It acts as a diuretic and helps in flushing out toxins from the body. Some studies suggest that burdock root may improve kidney function by promoting the elimination of waste products and reducing inflammation. Conclusion. Incorporating these 7 herbs into your diet or as supplements can offer significant benefits for kidney health. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal regimen, especially for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions or those taking medications. By harnessing the healing properties of these herbs, you can support your kidneys and promote overall well-being. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including proper hydration and a balanced diet, is equally crucial for optimal kidney function.